How are we doing, ladies and gents, boys and girls? My name's Tom Dyer and welcome back to another fun episode. And today I'm making for you the easiest eggnog in the world. That is right, the most simple, easiest eggnog cocktail in the world. It's just super easy eggnog, basically. Before I go any further though, I do want to do a giveaway. That's right, I'm going to be giving away 2 of my Grail jiggers. Ding, 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 ding. Yes, I'm going to give 2 of these away next week, so all you need to do is make sure you're subscribed to the channel, leave me a comment, and whilst you're there, you may as well like the video as well. And let me know what your favorite Christmas cocktail is. If you click that bell for notifications, you'll be notified when next week's video goes live, so you'll see if you're one of the lucky winners. Good luck. Without further ado, let's jump straight into the eggnog cocktail. Right, let's get it going by spinning a chopping board. No, we need to chop up some ginger, take off the skin, chop it up into a couple of small chunks, and then you can chuck that into a little cocktail shaker. Then you need to muddle that, squish it together and release all that gingery, juicy goodness. Put that to one side and grab a tall glass, and then you're going to fill that full of ice. You want this glass nice and cold, so glass all the way to the top. Put it over there. No, put it over the other side. Good. Now, let's start making our cocktail. Bring back that shaker with ginger, and we're going to start with 40 mils of Kraken Black Spice rum. That's 1.25 ounces, straight into your cocktail. It's got a nice vanilla notes to it. Then we've got some Liquor 43. It's a herbal liqueur, 43 herbs and spices. Vanilla is a strong one on this. That's 20 mils. That's 3/4 ounce. Then we've got 15 mils of milk, 1/2 ounce of milk, 1/2 ounce of cream or 15 mils of cream. These can all be vegan or non-vegan friendly, whatever you want. A pinch of nutmeg, a pinch of cinnamon, and a whole egg. No need to separate the egg whites. The whole egg can go straight into the cocktail. Then a little bit of sweetener of agave syrup, 15 mils, that's 1/2 ounce, straight in there as well. Stir this all together because you want that agave to mix together with the ingredients. Break up the egg a little bit and just start the process of mixing before we start shaking. Right, add some ice, put everything together and give this a good strong shake. Shaky, McShake, shake. And now we're ready to start straining. So we're going to pour directly over the ice, straight into the look at that eggnog goodness, eggnog deliciousness. Nice pour. Top up with some squirty cream. And then we're going to flame some cinnamon on top. Bet you didn't know cinnamon was flammable. And this gives a nice burnt cinnamon aroma to the cocktail and dusts that cream on top of the drink to make it look nice and pretty. We're almost done and I can't wait to try this. Tuck a straw in it and boom. Ta-da! There you have it. The easiest eggnog in the world. Let's give it a try. Oh. Super duper delicious eggnog. And you've got the cream, the cinnamon dusted cream on the top, and the delicious, delicious eggnog flavor on the bottom. You will not be disappointed with this one. I can assure you. It's super easy to drink. Right, it's time to pick winners from the black soup vodka cocktail that I made last week. And the 3 Grail jiggers are going to Alfie Ashworth. You will get in the first one. Congratulations. The second Grail jigger will be going to Oscar Price. Congratulations, Oscar. And the third Grail jigger I'll be sending out is going to Martina Pake G. Sorry if I mispronounced that, but congratulations to you 3. If you'd like to drop me a message on Instagram, and we'll get those grails sent to you as soon as possible. I also want to say a massive thank you to everyone who has supported me over on Patreon. Here's a couple of clips from some of the episodes that have gone out over there. There's cocktails being made, there's blooper videos, there's 3-Minute Thursday, and there's a lot more content that's being posted over there. So if you want to get involved and be a part of the Patreon community, just check the link down below, and there is something there for everyone. But yeah, big thanks to all my patrons so far. Okay, back to the video. You can feel all the flavors in the cocktail, and I guarantee this will be a hit at your Christmas parties. So give it a try, let me know how you get on. Don't forget to leave a comment down below to be in for a chance of winning one of my Grail jiggers. And until next time, I'll see you then. This is coming with me.